Hey, for today, got 2 boxes of 23-24 Upper Deck Trilogy. I actually have 6 boxes of these to open on a channel. As you can see, these are open. They were used for the Rapper Redemption program at the National. So you can watch the video. I opened those packs already. They're decent, but let's begin. I guess it's already open. Of course, looking for Connor Bedard. He was plentiful in those promo packs. No auto of him, though. There were other autos. Good ones, too. So let's begin. I haven't opened any Trilogy. Maybe ever. I can't remember the last time I opened Trilogy. If I did open any, it was like 2013, 14. A long time ago. Alright. Let's begin. Kale McCarr. Very Trilogy-y base card. Cards are already sticking. Jake Neighbors Generations, followed by a Brock Nelson Generations, red out of 799. Generations cards kind of suck. Beniers base. Alright. Perfetti. Got a Panarin Generations out of 799. Jersey card of Ole Eriksson Ek out of 499. He is out of the league in Europe. Played one game with the Anaheim Ducks against the Coyotes, and he let in like 6 goals and they lost. We've got a massively thick card in here. Signature pucks. Be nice if it was Crosby. The Sox do line up, so. Shesterkin, out of Will Cooley, rookie, out of 999, level 1. And Ron Francis, signature pucks. That's cool. Ron Francis. Can't say I've seen too many of his autographs that I can think of anywhere. Interesting. That is cool, Ron Francis auto. A very good player, Ron Francis. I do not mind that at all. Alright, Gabe Vilardi, Kyrou, Kopitar. This is a pink Generations. I think out of 25? Yeah. Eric Lindros, Generations pink out of 25. Got a 90s theme to this box. I think we have all of our hits, though. I think it's just 2 per. I have no idea. Marchessault, Gruden, rookie renditions. Kyrou, Generations blue out of 349. Tyler Toffoli. And last pack of box 1. Tavish, Lafreniere Generations. A Vincent Iorio Generations red. No, Renditions red out of 799. And Troy Terry. Well, that's the only problem with Trilogy, is that it just got too many of these boring inserts. Renditions, Generations. Could do more. Alright. Box 2. Taylor Radish. Got an Ovechkin Generations green out of 99. And a couple base. Huberdeau and Yossi. Scheifele, Peltier Renditions, Generations. The Gruden Renditions, blue out of 499. And base. Hopefully get a nice Bedard. I really hope. I haven't pulled anything like crazy Bedard. I did pull a Young Gun, but I mean, it's just a Young Gun. There's so many of those, right? Cider, Rene, and a Nikito Hiroshi, rookie at a $9.99. I must say these are good looking cards. They're like a matte finish to them almost. Right, Power, Larkin, Desharnais rookie renditions, and a David Gust at a $9.99. Wrong Blackhawk. So if we're getting 2 hits, they should be in here. This pack does feel a little thicker. So it's got a jersey card. Right, Matthew Nyes rookie out of $6.99. Nick Schmaltz looks like just a base jersey. Yep, Reagan Point. Just a base orange jersey. And last pack. Hopefully an autograph. Stutzla, Carlson. I guess, yeah, Milos Kellerman, $7.99. And this should be the auto. It's an Islander. William Dufour out of 99. Base auto. Level 2 base auto. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Got 4 more boxes on the way. Goodbye.